Kelly, this is your little guy, isn't he, sweetheart? He likes to keep his wings flapped open, this little guy. And he's going to have his food. And Kelly's being fed every 4 hours. We have a nice warm cloth here which props him up and helps him eat his food. We have his baby bird formula here, just to the right consistency for him. Come on, sweetie. And he's only tiny, so I have to encourage him to open his beak, but in a few days he will be opening his beak on his own. Isn't he a sweetheart? Look how tiny he is. Kelly, his eyes aren't open yet, but they will open over the next few days. Look at his little wings. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yes, good boy. Saying hello, Mummy. Hello, Mummy Kelly. And his warm cloth will help me wipe his mouth and wipe any splashes or any bits of him. What you see here on my arm is Mummy. This is Mummy coming to say hello. Hello, Mummy. Hello. Oh no, it's not Mummy, it's Daddy. Daddy's come to say hello. He's out flying free. So everything's sterilised. Now this is his crock, and as you can see his crock is getting fuller, but he only requires a little bit more, but he is being fed every 4 hours. There we go. Aren't you beautiful? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's clean you up now. So Kelly, this is your little guy. Isn't he beautiful? Yeah. So he's going to go back to sleep now in his little tub. Here we go. And he's going to join his brothers and sisters. Bye for now, Mummy.